In this video, we will show you how to customize the glances on a Venu 3 or 3S smartwatch. Your Venu 3 or 3S smartwatch comes preloaded with glances that provide quick information, such as health stats, activity history, or smartwatch features. Swipe up or down to view the glances. To customize the glances, select Edit. You can add a new glance by scrolling down and selecting the plus icon. Scroll through and select an option to add it. For this video, we will add the stress widget. Press the back button on the bottom right to go back a screen. You can also reorder your glances. Select a glance and then drag it to a new position. Select the check mark to confirm the change. Press the back button to get back to your glances. Finally, you can remove a glance from your widget loop list. Note, removing a glance does not disable the watch from recording that data. To remove a glance, scroll down and select Edit. Select a glance that you'd like to remove. Then select the X icon. Once you are done editing your glances, press the back button to return to your glances. And that's it. You can now customize the glances on your Venu 3 or 3S smartwatch. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.